This mini lecture is an introduction to analyzing conflicts. So we already know that conflicts are often perplexing to all participants. Usually, however, an interpersonal conflict is operating as a system of relations, complete with repetitive behavior, rules, and other identifiable dynamics. In my upcoming lecture, we are going to focus more on thinking and analyzing rather than on the moment communication behavior. Have you ever been in conflict in which you were so perplexed you asked, either silently or aloud, "What is going on here?" Conflict can create confusion. We can't clearly see the underlying system dynamics as they unfold. When you can analyze your conflicts on both first the macro and then second micro levels, you will be empowered to make more productive choices, both in the midst of the chaos and after the chaos subsides, as you learn, reflect, the plan for the future. Now, most people cannot accurately describe the system dynamics, which is the macro level, that impact them. People embroiled in an emotionally involving conflict are very likely to see the problems as coming from the behavior, personality, and morality of the other person. One of your first tasks as manager or parent or the third party is to figure out the system rather than taking the easy way out. At the micro level, which involves the familiar territory of communication behavior, most of us are notoriously inaccurate in describing our own behavior in conflict. We develop blind spots about our own behavior and rigid ways of seeing the other person. Now, in our main informational lecture for the topic of analyzing conflicts, we will be reviewing macro level analysis versus micro level analysis, key concepts of systems thinking, systems theory principles and practices, conflict triangles, and microevents. You can systematically analyze your conflicts by using questions from comprehensive assessment guides. I will also provide some sample questions from such a guide. And I want you to think, and I want you to analyze, and I want you to realize that your own macro level and micro level analysis are key concepts to the way you think. Now remember, conflicts are often perplexed to everyone, not just you, but the other parties involved. And usually, however, an interpersonal conflict are operating as a system of relations, complete with repetitive behavior, rules, and other identifiable dynamics.